Hi guys, my name's Noah. I'm Director of Sales of Ark Health. Ark Health is a dental distributor. We supply nationwide to dental practices from one-man chair practices all the way up to large corporate groups. Currently we're located in our fulfillment hub, which is in the north of Sydney. We hold up to 600 pallets and about 8,000 small goods. In this warehouse we have over 8,000 items including Ethos, Carvex, MDT burrs, On Guard, Microcopy burrs. We've got CareDent, MKDent, Everyday Essentials, W&H, and more. Traditionally we've supplied dental consumables, but over the years we've evolved and now we're offering clinical solutions into the practices. This is where your order gets packed and our fulfillment hub ships Australia-wide. We are different because we are a family business and we really care about our clients. We're very customer centric, very customer focused, and we've invested a lot in technology to try and offer the best service in Australia. We'd love to hear from you. Reach us at www.arkhealth.com.au or call our friendly customer care team on 1800 422 227. We look forward to speaking to you.